It's time for another gardening update. Yes, yes, yes. I loved success stories. And today my success story is being able to go out there on that balcony garden of mine and collect some fresh herbs to cook with. Oh, I love this, you guys. I know some of you understand how great it feels to be able to go to your garden, your home garden, and pick fresh herbs or veggies or fruits and enjoy it. Oh my goodness. What an amazing thing to be able to do. It's wonderful. I love it. I am so thrilled to be able, you guys, look at these herbs. I got oregano, I got thyme, I got basil, I got rosemary. My rosemary is my baby, and chives. I'm still working on growing. I got to get some more marjoram seeds, and I still got to work on my other herbs, because now that's another story that I have to work on. But the ones that do survive and thrive, this is a success story, and I love sharing it with you guys. And I love watching you all's videos and looking at your success and even your disaster stories. It's amazing to learn from our mistakes and trials and errors. Oh my goodness. And to realize what we're doing wrong and what we need to change or add or remove. Oh my goodness. I love gardening. I love it. And I know whatever spot I may be in, I would always want to have some kind of a garden to grow fresh herbs and veggies, or maybe even fruits. Who knows? I'm still out there trying to get a lemon tree to survive. And also some collard greens. Now that right there, it looked like they are growing, but I think I shared it. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna have to redo that again with the greens and stuff. But this, you guys, is awesome. All these fresh herbs to enhance the flavor of my meals. And I got a smell. Since they are so fresh, I can smell them. Oh God, I can smell them. But anyway, I just want to share this. And thank you guys so much for your support. And all the new subscribers, I appreciate you. I thank you. And I welcome you all. And thank you so much for being my friends. Okay? Bye now. Have a great gardening day and have a great day, period. Bye. I'll see you on the next one.